Nestled high above the azure waters of the Mediterranean, Èze is a gem of the French Riviera that enchants all who wander its narrow cobblestone streets. As you meander through this medieval village, it feels as if time has stood still. Each turn revealing charming artisan shops, brimming with handcrafted treasures, and inviting cafes that beckon you to pause and savor a moment. The air is fragrant with the scent of blooming flowers and the distant hint of sea salt, creating an intoxicating atmosphere that captivates the senses. One of the village's crown jewels is the Jardin Exotique de Èze, a botanical wonderland that showcases an array of exotic plants against the backdrop of stunning coastal views. Strolling through this garden is like stepping into a living painting, where every corner offers a new perspective of the world below. The experience is further enriched by a visit to the renowned Fragonard perfume factory, where the art of fragrance comes alive. Here, visitors can immerse themselves in the delicate process of perfume making, a craft steeped in history and tradition. As the sun begins its descent, the village transforms into a canvas of vibrant hues, the sunsets in Èze rivaling the most exquisite masterpieces. Luxurious hotels and gourmet restaurants dot the landscape, providing the perfect setting for a romantic getaway or a serene escape from the bustle of everyday life. For the adventurous, a short hike to the summit reveals panoramic vistas that leave one breathless, a reminder of nature's grandeur. In Èze, tranquility intertwines with history, creating an idyllic retreat for those seeking both beauty and serenity. It's a place where every moment feels like a cherished memory waiting to unfold.